Hello. Today is day 73, which means we have, if I am correct, a little less than a month to go on our 100-day project. This is the 73rd collage I will have put together. Of course, I'm doing all of these, and then I'm going to put them in a little book when I finish them up. So I'm just going to bind all the pages together is the plan. Anyways, I'm going to work on day 73, and I'll talk to you all after a while. Well, this one changed a lot. I had to change the quote. I had picked out a quote about the playing with the cat, thinking that the dog was playing with the cat. Sometimes when I do things like that, things don't work. So I simply just changed the quote, and then it came together. Oops, sorry for the shadow, guys. And I apologize for the air conditioner, but for the rest of the summer, and it's not even summer yet, I don't think. It's 96 here today, so not a good day. Anyways, this one's really simple, but I really like how it came out. I'm very pleased with it. Both the dog and the lady have one heck of a expression on their faces. So I am going to read you a quote from my 1001 Ways to Creativity book and go on to the next project. Believe me, there's a lot of them. The heart is what keeps us in contact with nature. We connect to the rest of the living world through empathy and compassion. If that bond ever becomes broken, it is almost impossible to create anything meaningful. Okay, guys, I love you all. I hope you're having a great day. Go have fun, make some art. Bye-bye.